Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the spare tire from your Nissan Armada. First, you'll need to gather the necessary tools. Open your liftgate and raise the cargo floorboard to access the storage bin. Inside, you'll find the jack rod, an extension bar, and the wheel nut wrench. The vehicle's jack is typically in a separate compartment on the left side of the cargo area. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's assemble the lowering tool and access the winch. Take the jack rod and securely screw its T-shaped end into the extension bar. Then, fit the square end of this combined rod into the square hole of your wheel nut wrench, creating a handle. Next, go to the rear of your Armada and find the small, oval-shaped opening located just above the center of the bumper. This is where you'll insert your assembled tool. With the tool assembled, it's time to lower the spare tire. Carefully guide the T-shaped end of the rod through the bumper opening, aiming for the spare wheel winch assembly directly above the tire. You'll feel it engage into the winch's T-shaped opening. Apply slight pressure to keep it seated, then turn the wheel nut wrench counterclockwise. The spare tire will begin to descend. Keep turning until the tire is completely on the ground and there is enough slack to maneuver it. Once the spare tire is fully lowered, you can remove it. First, pull the jack rod out of the winch assembly. Then, reach underneath the vehicle and remove the hanging plate or retainer that secures the tire to the lowering cable. With the retainer free, carefully slide the spare wheel from under the rear of your Armada. You can now place your flat tire in the cargo area for transport or repair, reversing these steps to reinstall the spare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.